Hello, yes, welcome to another Yip Yap session. I am your host, Amethyst. Let's go through this intro very quickly. Notification bell thingy, subscribe, follow. There's a Discord link in the description below. I think that covers it all. 11 by 14 poster. What are we painting? I actually have no fucking idea. I was tempted to bring back Balloon Guy, but he takes too long, and that's just kind of boring. Like, there's a part of making him that's just boring. The balloons are boring. That's what I'm saying. So, instead, I think the safe bet... Excuse me, I made eye contact with my dog while she's digging a hole. Something pretty, right? I think that would be the next move. So let's go pretty colors. We're going to go yellow. We're going to go orange. Oh, I just realized what I forgot. It was caps. And we're probably going to have a horizon somewhere in the middle. So basically whatever we do up here, I'm going to do down here. Athena. Thanks. We'll go red up here. Red down here. You know what? No, let's leave it here for now. And then we're going to do... I have a purple, and then we'll do a blue. Here's what we'll actually do. We'll bring this blue down the entire way. And what I'm going to hope, we'll bring it down for just the sky. What I'm going to hope, as I go and grab another magazine, is we can just get some of those colors, maybe get something really cool going up in the sky up here without doing too much work. So magazine, maybe we'll do a little something just to do something. But let's just try to place it. Whoops, I want to get the whole thing. Well, see, that looks fiery. It doesn't look pretty anymore, does it? We can fix this, I'm sure. I'm sure I can fix this. Let's just kind of fold this. We'll use this in a second, maybe. Actually, I wish I had my fluorescents out here, but I do not. Let's go back with the purple a little bit, because we did lose that, and I think the purple has a lot to offer. Yeah, we'll have that texture kind of in the back. Just like these faint colors right on top of it. I think that could work. That could work. We don't need to do stars. We'll just do a little sun. Yep, right there. This is nice. This is nice. Here's what we're gonna do though. Actually, no, we'll grab some trash. We will grab the trash. Trash. Tear off a little piece. Perfect. We'll use that magazine that we folded off to the side to catch a paint. Black. Just want to paint in just a couple little islands out there. Maybe no, I don't want just one whack. Maybe we make this one a bit smaller, but like taller. Where the fuck is the horizon? Hold on. The horizon will be like right there. So never mind, it's gonna be one big island. I don't know why I did that. I should have marked it with white. Ooh, this gives me an opportunity to do the arch thingy. Yup. That's a big ol' arch. Alright, I'm not gonna spend too much time doing this, because it's just not something to spend a lot of time doing. Anyway, here we go. I brought a little straight edge. Let's mark this with a blue, actually. That's what I want to do. I want to mark this up here with a blue, because it feels right. For the horizon. It feels right. It feels right. I'm not really... You know what? Let's just do this. Let's just make this really easy. Really easy. Secret sauce. White on the fingers. And we'll actually start down here because we have the most white on our fingers, obviously in the beginning. And then we'll just kind of move our way up. So we'll do it a little backwards. Oh, that's just lovely. Look at that. That's lovely. Simple. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. We do need to fill up this sky with something. I should have maybe did more water than sky. What we could do though are just big palm trees or something. And I'm thinking, whoops, camera's falling over. It got really windy all of a sudden. Where the fuck did that come from? Okay, we're good. We definitely do got to take up space up here though. So, palm trees. Big fluffy old palm trees will take up the space. Yes, they will. Now let's do just a little island right here. Whoops. Actually, let's just spray that there. Finger paint. Little island right there. And then we'll have our shoreline down here. We're not gonna finger paint that in. Look at that. Look at that. We got a little beach painting going. I was gonna say let's do the palm trees like this, but I think they would be too small because they're kind of out in the distance. How about we'll just leave it alone. I'll leave it alone for now, and then we'll kind of get back to it because I don't want to sit here and fucking ponder. So I just want to use a little bit of white. Let's get those ripples, those waves. Back down here. Yep. And let's work on those palm trees. Easy. Fountain pen method. Trash. We're gonna fold this. Give it a crease. Blacken the crease, and we're gonna paint with it. Simple, right? Simple. Big old palm tree right there. Very thin. Very thin. Maybe we'll use a sponge actually to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see what we got in the sponge department. And then, because I don't like how little that is. Let's see if we got something kind of thin. This looks pretty thin. I kind of like this. Let's do it. Perfect. And we'll do another one right there. It's so skinny down there. Yep. Now I don't know if I tried this, but I've been thinking about trying to do the palm leaves with a sponge to see how that would work. Oh, well that's kind of nice. Okay, I always use trash, but I kind of like that. All right. So what I'm doing here is just kind of lifting it in the motion, and it's just a sponge I kind of ripped off. I didn't rip it off. I cut off. Synthetic sponge. That's what it is. Grouting sponge, general all-purpose sponge. You can get them at Home Depot, Amazon. I think I have all of the stuff that I buy in the description. If I buy it on Amazon, that is. God, I'm so nervous doing it like this. I kind of like that though. Yeah, okay. It's a bit awkward doing it is that to the left or to the right? I can't think. But that way. And I don't feel like turning it around, so I'm just gonna get over it. I absolutely hate the top of this palm tree. Looks like a terrible botched 80s hairstyle. It is what it is. Maybe we'll bring this out a little bit. That one looks great. I did something uneven there. I don't know why I'm trying to make a clean painting, because that's just not where I thrive at all. I need more black. And it's kind of unfortunate because regardless of what I do here, I'm not going to be happy with it because it's that quote unquote clean. Anyway. Coconuts. Whoops, that was fucking terrible. Wait, how did that fucking happen? How'd I do that? It is what it is. Not the way that I would like them to look. That looks a lot better. That's weird. We'll ignore it. Some coconuts. We'll do some Maybe some just like tall grass right here. How about we do a little boat, like a sunken boat out there. Oh, also some white lines where land meets water. Little white lines. And not the illegal kind. Good enough. There we go. There it be. So let's try this. So let's have this boat let's have it facing the other way. So let's have it maybe just, don't overthink it, just do it. Oh, look at that. That's a perfect boat shape. Yeah, that's fucking great. Way to go, Amethyst. You done did fucking lovely. You done did lovely today. Yep. There it be. And we'll just have it like half sunken in to the water down there. And you know what that means? White lines. We know it's a boat. That's all that matters. Kind of tempted to try to extend that, I don't know. Oh, fuck it though. Now let's do tiny birds. So just a little bit of black, and we'll just make, whoop, that's a lot of black on there. Come on, that's not enough black now. Just some V's out there, nothing too big, nothing too fancy. Since we're going the boring route today. You know what, this is very simple. It's a very simple painting. I'm sorry, I gotta get rid of that little third coconut over there that I didn't mean to do, and I'm not even sure how I did it. I'd like to know how I did it, because it was as frustrating and as ugly as it is, it was kind of impressive. I don't know how I made that mark. I don't know. Should we do maybe like a... No, we'll just leave it here. We'll just leave it here. You know what? Some clouds would have been really nice here. Is there any way we could do that without... Only us fucking with it will tell, right? So let's take some secret sauce. I'm going to use the clean side. Try the clean side. I'll just tap, 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 tap. Right, because now the paint is wet. Top layer is wet. So it's picking up that top layer with this clean side of the sponge. If it doesn't work, what I would do is just maybe throw some of that black in there. Do we try maybe some of the black? Let's try it. Let's try it. I think this was a mistake. I like it. That was a good addition. That was a good addition. Come on. Come on. Give it up. I admit it. It was a good addition. See if you just kind of get some of that color in there. So I just hit it with some secret sauce, and we can see, just so you know I'm not bullshitting, okay? Sometimes I know what I'm talking about, right? We can hit it with the secret sauce, the clear coat, if you will. People always get confused. This would it be? Screenshot it. There, you got it. Right, so the paint is wet. Now it's just picking up a little tiny bit of that black, so that yellow is kind of coming through there. Right, just kind of, I don't want to say fading them out, but it's killing them a little bit. It's killing them, but in a good way. Sometimes killing things can be good. Wow. 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 Let me stop fucking with it. Let me stop fucking with it. A little bit down here, just so I can do my signature. I love the fiery colors with the signature. It's always so fucking fun. Oof, that felt so good. Anyway, hey, this was nice. Simple, but nice. Oops. Yeah, a little boat back there. It's, hey, you know what? It's not my style at all, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. And what it is ain't bad. If you have any questions, don't bother commenting them. I rarely look at that. Oops, I got a little bit of white there. We'll fix that in a minute. But if you have any questions, go to the Discord. That's the place to be for people of all skill levels. You can ask for feedback there. I must clarify though, if you're looking for feedback, you gotta let me know, okay? Because I will never give feedback unless you specifically ask for it. But yeah, or if you just want to show off your stuff, that's the place to go. So, toodaloo.